Hi, I'm Elizabeth at Hillcrest EarlyON site. I am looking for signs of spring. I see small bright yellow flowers with four petals, and it is bell-shaped. This is Forsythia, known as golden bells. Interesting fact about Forsythia. It came from China. In the early spring, the flowers appear before the leaves. Yes, I don't see leaves yet. The meaning of Forsythia in flower language is anticipation. What else do you see signs of spring? I found another yellow flower. It looks feathery and round-shaped flower. Leaves are jagged. Yes, this is a dandelion. Speaking of the leaves, dandelion is taken from the French Dandelion, meaning lion's tooth because of the coarsely toothed leaves. The dandelion flowers open to greet the morning and close in the evening to go to sleep. Such as birds, insects, and butterflies consume nectar or seed of dandelion. What are amazing flowers! Hi, it is raining and I am outside. Look, I found an earthworm. Earthworms are long and like to stretch. They like to be wet too. Fun fact, earthworms can move without legs. Earthworms are good diggers and keep the soil healthy. Come outside and find earthworms on a rainy day. I'm going to introduce my favorite weed, spotted dead nettle. Why do I like them? Because it has cute pink flowers. Leaves have a blue-silver mottling in the center of its leaf. Unlike nettles, it does not sting nor irritate the skin. Most of all, they cover underneath trees because they usually low grow. My gardens look beautiful. Thank you, spotted dead nettles. I found large bell-shaped flowers. It's tulips. Tulips grow from bulbs. They usually bloom in spring. If you want to have tulips in your garden, you need to plant them in the fall. Tulip flowers open and close in response to heat and light around them. So tulip flowers are closed at night and during rainy day.